Get this. Chia seeds. All right, see there. CHIASEEDS. 100% natural superfood. All right. Now, if you love yourself, if you want to take care of yourself, and if you want to, you know what I mean, just be healthy, do this tomorrow morning when you wake up. Okay. One tablespoon. All right. Water. Here it is. Lemon. Hot flex. Living in the building. Big up yourself. Lemon. The one with the seeds is better. Here it is. With the seeds is much better. Okay? Now, I'm going to tell you this. Nicole, Julie, all of you guys who are watching, make this tomorrow morning. Okay? Make this tomorrow morning for breakfast. This will help to cleanse the liver and help to help you to lower your cholesterol level in your body. Trust me, 100,000,000%, guys. If you ever do this at home, it's going to be life-changing. All right? Yeah. Now, all right, leave it in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right. Yeah, just leave it in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. This one. That is life-changing. Okay, guys. Drink it first thing in the morning, or have a cup of lukewarm water with lemon. All right.